Hello Earth citizens! In this video, I will show you a 10-minute routine to boost your immune system. I know a lot of people are worried about getting sick, especially if you're someone who's prone to getting sick quite often. There's a good way to boost your immune system, and that is by accessing your gut. Did you know that 75% of your immune system, that's 3/4 of your immune system, is housed in the gut? So people who are wondering, why do I get sick all the time? Every flu season, every cold season, I seem to be coming down with something. You have to check your gut. So we will do some exercises to open up the front of your body, and also 2 very important acupressure points that's on your abdomen that will help bring your core temperature higher to raise your immune system function. So one more thing I want to share with you, that not only is 75% of your immune system housed in the gut, but did you know that raising your core temperature 1 degree Celsius, just 1 degree Celsius up, raises your immune system 5 times. That means it raises your immune system 500% if you can rev up your core internal temperature. So we will practice that today. So first, sit in a comfortable posture on a chair, not leaning back, in the front. So come towards the front, and first just start by tapping your chest. Tap your chest. I recommend closing your eyes. Close your eyes so you can focus on the sensation of your chest. Feel the stimulation in your chest. Imagine you're tapping deeply into your lungs. And we'll tap our chest for just 30 seconds. So please close your eyes so you can focus on your body. Tap deeply into your chest, relaxing your shoulders, relaxing your body. 15 more seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now tap along the front of your body. From your neck all the way down to your lower abdomen, the front of your body. There's a very important meridian channel that flows down the front side of your body called the conception meridian. When we get stressed, when we have a lot of emotions, tension, blockage, this meridian is one of the first meridians to become blocked. So let's tap all along the conception meridian from your neck to your chest, diaphragm, abdomen, belly button, all the way up. Let's tap for 30 more seconds. Please exhale. If you're very sensitive to energy, even tapping your body like this, you will feel your body warming up. 15 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and stop. Next, we will use the belly button healing wand. If you have one of these, please use it. If you don't, you can use your fingers to push, curving your fingers and pushing like this. So find a point that is right in the middle of your diaphragm and your belly button. So my diaphragm is right here, my belly button is here. You want to find the point right in the middle. That point, use that point to get the belly button healing tool and massage. This point is right above your small intestines, and it's an area that is very important to release gut inflammation. Gut inflammation that can lower your immune system, compromise your immune system, Most people, when they push here, there's pain. If you feel pain here, please breathe out. Keep pumping in small movements like this. If you're using your fingers, curve your fingers and pump. Same way. We will pump here for 1 minute, 30 seconds. If you have the hang of this movement, please close your eyes. Always, I'm here to just guide you on the movements. If you've got the movement, close your eyes so you can focus on your body. Pump here. Notice if there's any pain, any tension. If you feel pain and tension, exhale. 1 more minute. "30 seconds. Keep pumping. Little pumping movements like you're knocking on a door. Hello. Hello, my immune system. Where are you? A little bit more. 20 seconds. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop. Now we're going to stimulate that same point, but alter our breath a little. So what you're going to do is take a deep breath in. As you exhale, push into that point. For 5 seconds. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold it. Breathe in. When you breathe in, you want to release and exhale for 5 seconds. Hold it. Inhale. Breathe out. Hold it. Breathe in. Breathe out. Inhale. Exhale. One more time. Breathe in. Exhale. Now we're going to go down to the belly button and do the same pumping movements on your belly button. These 2 points are very important acupressure points to help boost your immune system. Raise your core temperature, therefore boosting your immune system. We'll pump here for 1 minute. Close your eyes, feel the movement in your body. Relax your shoulders. Breathe naturally. And for an added bonus, have a gentle smile on your face. When we create a gentle smile on our face, our brain naturally produces happy hormones. And when your body is feeling happy, you naturally become warmer. — 20 more seconds. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop. Now we'll do some breathing the same way. Take a deep breath in. Exhale for 5 seconds. Hold it. do a total of 5 breaths like this. Breathe out. Hold it. Breathe in. This is number 3. Hold it. Breathe in. Breathe out. Hold it. Last one. Deep breath in. And exhale. And relax. Place your tool down. Feel your body. Close your eyes for just 10 seconds and let's feel our body. Do you feel some warmth or movement in your abdomen? Maybe you feel some warmth in your fingers, hands, toes, and feet. Some people feel coldness in their hands, toes, feet, and fingers. Coldness is that cold energy inside of you that's lowering your immune system coming out of your body. So whether you feel hot or cold, you're doing great. They're both signs of healing. You did a great job. If you have more than 10 minutes, please do these exercises for a little bit longer. I recommend maybe 15 minutes, or even watch this video again and go for 20 minutes.